Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the C98 cake keyboard. It's a mechanical switch keyboard. It's a 3-mode connection. That means you can use it wired, wireless and in Bluetooth with multiple devices. You can switch between them with the key. You'll have everything in the manual for you how to do that. But for now let's just focus on the box. This is how the box looks like. It shows us the keyboard on the front, and on the back we should have some manufacturer's information and some specs. So I don't know if it can focus, but it says it's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. C98 is the model. We have their contact numbers and everything, different languages as well, some warnings that contains lithium-ion batteries, and pretty much that's it with the box. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box now. I'm going to show you guys what to get inside, and after that we're going to have it next to our setup so you can get a feeling on how it will look next to yours. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is what you get. As you can see, you get a lot of stuff, so it's quite a nice experience opening this up. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So first of all, you get this envelope right here, which is pretty nice. It holds the instruction manual. This is a quick user guide, C98, different languages right here, but we'll focus on English mostly. It will tell you what the FN key does, how to use some functions. Obviously it's not a full-size keyboard, so you're missing some numbers, but you pretty much have all the full functionality, especially with the FN keys. You got all the shortcuts right here, how to change the RGB and so on. We have a full user manual that tells you everything you need to know about the keyboard, even the warranty information, how to change the switches, stuff like that. So I suggest give these both a read. It'll only take like 5 minutes, but it will help you understand how to get the most out of your keyboard and how to use it at its max potential. In the same envelope we had some stickers, YUNZII cake keyboard stickers. It's pretty nice. And we have like a welcome card, I think. So if you want to send it as a gift, you put in the name there, you just send it as a gift. This is pretty nice. It's really well thought. They have included 2 spare switches. They are the same switches you find in the keyboard. We have a keycap and a switch puller right here. Pretty basic one. It works nevertheless. Fully customizable. You can hot swap the switches and the keys. Again, everything is in the manual. They included some spare keycaps for Mac, and also some custom ones like the flower one and the cat one. It's pretty nice, a pretty nice addition. Also a spare spacebar. As you can see, you have a white spacebar here. You can change it to this blue one, or you can customize it however you like. And we have a braided, same color as the keyboard by the way, with also a nice length, and it feels really good quality. So it's a braided USB type A to USB type C cable, which can be used to either charge the keyboard or use it in wire mode. Again, connect this end to your PC or your device and this end to your keyboard, and it should be ready to go or ready to charge. And now we have the keyboard itself right here, which comes with a dust cover. So once you're done gaming, put the dust cover back on, fits like a glove, helps you keep it clean, protects it from the dust. So it's really nice to have. As you can see, 98 keys. It looks nice. We have this cat eyes right here, or cake eyes. I don't even know how to call it. It looks pretty nice. Have some silicone padding, RGB. This white strip goes all around the keyboard. It lights up when you turn the keyboard on. I'm going to show you guys in a second. On the top we have the USB Type-C port, and then we have a switch which will switch between wired, wireless and Bluetooth. On the back we have a lot of silicone padding. As you can see, we have these corners right here, and we have this pause. The pause, you can take them out. And one of them, which I think is this one, holds the 2.4 gigahertz receiver, so you can use the keyboard in wireless mode. So you take it out of there, put the pole back up, it's ready to go. Once you're done using the keyboard, you can pop it back in there, and it will always stay in there. Let me see if there you go. Yeah, keyboard is pretty nice. It's got a lot of features and it's got a lot of fancy stuff. It looks like a fish, by the way, which is pretty nice. It's a fish USB. They have also included this mouse pad, which is a cake and a cat in the same time. It's a cat cake. It looks really nice. Props to them for that. There's not many keyboard manufacturers that include a mouse pad, especially one that actually fits the theme. Pretty nice. Decent thickness. Feels like a really good material. On the back it's got rubber padding so it doesn't slip everywhere. Proper made, so props to them for that. It's really nice of them adding this. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I'm going to go ahead now and set it up to my main PC, and we're gonna use it in wireless mode, and I'm gonna show you guys how the RGB looks and maybe how the keyboard sounds. I'm gonna press some keycaps. You guys will love it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up. I'm using it in wireless mode. I connected the fish USB to my device. This is a USB hub. But yeah, it works straight away. It's actually amazing. This is how the RGB looks like. That strip along the sides, it just looks really, really nice. The RGB really popping. If you want to change the RGB, it's super simple. Just press the FN key, then this. It will go through some preset RGB modes. I like to keep mine on rainbow just because it looks really, really good. Like this. And like the cat face on the top as well, actually funny. The keyboard is also super responsive. So as I'm pressing the Windows key, there is no input delay at all, which is absolutely amazing. I think it runs at 1000 Hz of pulling rate, which is really good for gaming, by the way. And the switches are not super clicky, not super talky, but they still sound good. So I'm gonna get as close as I can with the camera to the keyboard so you guys can hear how it sounds like. So I'm just gonna be pressing some keys right now. Yeah, it sounds really good in my opinion, but if you don't like how it sounds, you can always change it. As I said, it's hot swappable. You can change the switches to whatever you want. You can change the keycaps to whatever you want. But I really think the whole theme, it matches the keyboard, the one that it comes with. And if you guys want to buy this keyboard, I will have the link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.